Chamber of Commerce.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Honorable Prime Minister.
I'd like to take this opportunity on behalf of the people of Fiji to thank you. Thank you for this wonderful donation that will help our frontline workers, assist them in the work that they do every day. And I understand we also need to thank the President of the French Polynesia for assisting us in the transportation of these PPEs. But thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much thank you everyone for helping Fiji with this kind donation. And thank you for that offer in trying to revive the economy in Fiji.
I'm very pleased today to join you to meet the Prime Minister, and thank you very much for your time, Prime Minister, and to give some donations of PPEs to the government of Fiji. And first of all, let me take this opportunity to warmly, sincerely congratulate the Honorable Prime Minister for your strong leadership in combating the COVID-19 during this difficult time. And without your strong leadership, this country cannot be as safe as we are now. And the Chinese community as a whole cannot be as safe as we are now. So I'm very pleased, and congratulations, Prime Minister, for your strong leadership. I very much agree to what the Prime Minister has mentioned. Fiji has now entered a new normal. And on the one hand, we have achieved a lot with the concerted efforts of the government, the people of Fiji, and communities of the Chinese communities. On the other hand, we should not be complacent, and we must keep vigilant about a difficult time. So from that perspective, I'm very pleased that both the Chinese central government, the local government, and our Friendship Association, as well as Chinese business society, they have all played a role in assisting our friends in Fiji in combating the COVID-19. I'm sure that this is not the end of our cooperation, and this is a new beginning. And I'm sure that our next priority work is on the post-COVID-19 period, how to facilitate our people and the country of Fiji to recover economically. And we will surely follow the leadership of the Prime Minister. And I can assure you, Prime Minister, that the Chinese government is fully committed to do our part and according to our capacity to help our friends and in all areas following during the post-COVID-19. I just stop here, and I want to lastly I want to thank the Chinese community, the Friendship Association, for their generous support to the government and the people of Fiji. And you have done a great job also, as well as the government of Fiji. And you have done your part in helping our friends in Fiji in combating this COVID-19. Thank you very much.
谢谢 Thank you. Good night, Cliff.